let us see one problem on parallelogram law of vector addition. I have this mass at point A. It is being pulled towards east, let us say, with a force 100 Newton. Now someone is pulling it in some other direction as well, and let us have that other force acting in this direction, and magnitude of that force is, I would say, 75 Newton here. Now I want to find the resultant force because of this force which acts along AB, it is pulled towards right. Because of this force which acts along AC, it is pulled in some other direction. But now I need to know the angle between these two forces, and let's have this angle as 60 degree. Let us find what is the resultant force, because neither it is going to get pulled in this direction nor in this direction but somewhere else, and we want to find that somewhere else here. Okay, so I'll write my P, magnitude of P bar. This is my P bar, and that is equal to 100 Newton. Magnitude of Q bar is equal to 75 Newton. My theta is equal to 60 degree. So I want to find where the resultant lies. Now resultant is going to be, along the diagonal of this parallelogram here, somewhere here like that. Okay, and let me call this R bar. So my R is equal to root over P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. So it is root over, it is 100 squared plus 75 squared plus 2 into 100 into 75 into my cos theta is going to be, it's cos 60, it is equal to half, and then everything under root. So I'll cancel this 2 and 2 here, and it is going to be equal to something like 10,000 here plus 7,500 here. So that would be 17500 plus 75 square. That would be something which I don't want to calculate now because I can't do that just like that. But then you guys have calculators, so you can do this easily and you can get this, right? So that is how I get magnitude of my resultant here. But now since it is a vector, I must calculate what is my angle theta here, angle alpha. Theta was my angle between the two vectors, that was 60 degree. Alright, tan alpha, and what was the formula for that? Was it not Q sine theta upon P plus Q cos theta? So it is, my Q is 75 into cos 60 degree upon 100 plus 75 into sine, so this is sine 60 and this is cos 60. So now again you can do this on your calculators and get the angle. So you get tan alpha, and alpha is inverse of whatever value that you get. So you have the magnitude as well as direction. Now here we are using forces, but then the same thing can be used for the force between gravitational force of attraction or electrostatic force of attraction or repulsion, or any other vector for that matter. Velocities acting into different directions, or displacements happening into different directions starting from the same point. So that's how you apply your parallelogram law of vector addition, right? Thank you so much.